the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Southern style collard greens. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 1-pound bag of collard greens. We're going to need 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 onion chopped. We're also going to need a half a tablespoon of minced garlic, 6 slices of bacon. I'm using turkey bacon for mine. We're going to need also 1 tablespoon of vinegar, a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now once you open your bag of greens, you want to go through them before you rinse them off, and you want to remove any stems that are in there like this. Doesn't matter what size they are. You want to just go ahead and take them out of there. Next, you're going to rinse them off thoroughly. Okay guys, as you can see, I have all my ingredients measured out. Next, we're going to have a large pot on the stove, and we're going to go ahead and heat that up, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it. Once that's heated, we're going to add our turkey bacon. Okay guys, I have my pot heating up. I'm going to go ahead and put our olive oil in. We're just going to wait for that to heat up some. And then we're going to add our 6 slices of bacon. Okay, I'm going to add my bacon in. And now all we're going to do is cook it until they get crispy. When cooking your bacon, you want your heat to be on medium-low. Okay guys, once your bacon has gotten crispy, you want to add your 1 cup of onion in, and also your half a tablespoon of minced garlic. And all you want to do is saute that together for 4 minutes. Okay guys, after the 4 minutes of sauteing, you want to go ahead and add your 4 cups of your chicken broth. And give that a stir. And you want to bring that up to a light boil. So you can raise your heat up just a little bit. Okay guys, now that we have a light boil, all you want to do is start adding your greens in. So you add all 3 bags of your greens. I know it's going to look like a lot in the pot, but they will go down as they cook. Now guys, once you've added all of your greens, all you want to do is go ahead and put a lid on them, and we're going to simmer them for 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. Now all you want to do is add your salt, your vinegar, your black pepper, and also your red pepper flakes. I'm going to go ahead and give that a good stir. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. Okay guys, once you've mixed that thoroughly, all you want to do is cover it, and you want to cook on low heat for 1 hour until your desired tenderness that you want on them. See you back in an hour. Okay guys, so it's been an hour and our greens are done. And I've also tasted them and they are delicious. They are perfectly seasoned. Okay guys, here we have it, Southern style collard greens. I hope you guys really try this recipe. It's very delicious. It's seasoned perfectly, and I think you will enjoy it. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.